sometimes so smart. This.
Everyone Durbadan and Tashtele, and I'm Tubdin, and I come here quite a few weeks ago, and we stay here until end of June. Then after we leave to India. Some are India, some are go to somewhere in America also, and we make here some small mandala for the people, and because our organizer said to me something blessing mandala whatever to this country, so that's why we make here now small mandala, and because we don't have a lot of time, we just make not very small, but it's okay. We make here Amitabha Sen mandala. These are His Holiness Dalai Lama's message for the people or children or students, something this. And these are the Om Mani Padme Hum, and it's like a memory for Tibetan traditional. And this also the message for like this. This is a message for anybody. We can put the, how to say, in the room, then every morning, every day we can see and for memorize. No, not memorize, remind. It's very good for this. So he's here also. And this is Om Mani Padme Hum, this. And this is a prayer flag for good luck, That's it. And here some incense, this incense, and this for kata. This is wherever we use, the married time, and when people meet time, and everywhere we use this Tibetan traditional. And for good luck, like this. I don't know how to. This one, I think. Wait, one's sound good, one's not sound good. I hope so. Yes. Yes. So this is it, the Saint mandala. We make here the Amitabha mandala. Saint mandala. This is. Yes. Mandala for all peace, and also very good blessing for the country and natures, and nature are very important for us. So this Saint mandala is blessing. After we make this, and people come, and we together make meditation and some dedicate for whole peace and happiness, something this. And we meditation near mandala, we make meditations for inner peace, how to develop, and we talk a little bit. Then after that we destroy, then we bring to the river, because the river brings the saint to blessing everywhere. This is.